our human is in search of a recipe. And it appears he has found one. After school banana bread. He begins by preheating his oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then he takes a pan and parchment paper, measures, and he cuts. As he attempts to put it in, he realizes it's too large, so he cuts it. Next, he prepares the other side, because squares have 4 sides, cubes have 8. This is a cube minus 1 side. He attaches his paddle attachment to his mixer. But before, he prepares a saucepan on the stovetop. He adds butter to it in an attempt to melt it. The butter is ready. It goes into the mixer where it can cool while he prepares the rest of the dish. In a small bowl, he cracks 2 eggs he has managed to steal from a chicken. These birds are highly dangerous, but highly sought after. He also prepares a cup with light brown sugar. He packs it because packed sugar is better than unpacked sugar. The eggs go into the bowl as well as the sugar. He adds vanilla extract for flavor and begins to stir. While it stirs, he prepares his bowl and fetches his 4 overripe bananas. He peels them and puts them into the bowl to be mashed. He mashes to a pulp, not to the point where there are no chunks. Stops his mixer and adds his bananas. It looks like peanut butter. And he begins to mix again. In the same bowl, since he has no other, he has cleaned it and dried it and has fetched the dry ingredients. He now adds his all-purpose flour. 3/4 of a cup and 1 cup. However, when he attempts to clean the top, the handle of the 3/4 cup is not straight. He gives up and uses the spine of a knife, as he should have the first time around. Good job. He attempts to add baking soda, but adds more to the bowl than what he does in the spoon. He also adds salt and whisks the dry ingredients together. He fetches the wet ingredients and begins to slowly add them to the dry. As he mixes, he eventually turns it all into a porridge consistency. He adds a cup of chocolate chips and a little more for good measure. He mixes and mixes. Eventually pours into the parchment lined paper, making sure to get every little bit. Something that a taste test can attest to. He then sprinkles granulated sugar across the top, as this will create a nice brown cap when it bakes in the oven. And into the oven it must go. The clock is set for 45 minutes. We will watch it rise. After the 45 minutes, he takes it out and tests it with a cake tester. However, it requires more time. With the beauty of video, it's in and out in a matter of seconds. Now it is done. He removes it and places it on the counter to cool. But not entirely. Once it is warm, he transfers it to a cutting board. Using a serrated knife, he cuts it into 9 pieces. It's soft, chocolate, gooey, and moist. And now, the important taste test. He retrieves a piece and brings it to his mouth. The look of satisfaction. It is good. This has been a recipe from Magnolia Table as cooked by Black Tie Kitchen. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. And there's another piece. Also, make sure to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Black Tie Kitchen. For recipe directions and others, blacktiekitchen.com. And until next time, stay